What's your name po?
Jaime.
Jaime, how old are you?
6.
6 years old. Did you go to school na rin po?
Yes.
What grade?
1.
Grade 1. And what is your favorite subject?
Science.
Science! Wow! Can I ask you something about science?
Animals.
Animals? How about planets? O sige, ito na lang. Madali lang to. Okay, madali lang yung question ni Kuya Joseph para sa'yo. Ready ka na po? Sige. Kids, listen. Here's my question about science. How many molecules there are in 5 apple, 7 banana, and 10 gallons of water? Did you know the answer? Ano mo po yung sagot?
I don't know.
Me too, I don't know. Hindi ko rin alam. O joke lang. O sige, this time, you need to greet Alexa in a long history. Ha? Sige, hold the mic.